afternoon, everyone. We're Creation. We're launching a new AI-powered DePIN device called Emotion, EMTN.ai, and it's a lifestyle product that is creating a deeper connection with users, offering personalized and rewarding experiences while powering IoT-focused node. And how we achieve this is via a cloud node that is powered by the users through a node sale that we do via an NFT. So we're building a layer 3 on top of Base, and this is going to be able to distribute royalties via our sensor device, and it has connectivity with all major displays. So it also has a home use as well as a corporate use with all major hospitality sector. We already have contracts with the likes of Soho House, and we work with, we've done NFT drops with the likes of SpaceX. One of our recent projects is Winds of Yawanawa by Refik Anadol, the most sold NFT project of the last 6 months. On board in the design team, we have Ross Lovegrove. He designed the Sony Walkman 1 as well as Apple computers. And our device is fully integrated with OpenAI, and it's enhancing an infrastructure on the Ethereum network. We're starting with a node sale next month, powered by the Launchpad Solanium and Magic Eden. And within our first token round in 2021, we had the honor of working with the venture capitals of Animoca, and also with Trovio. I have been and am a co-founder and managing director of House of Fine Art, Hoffa Gallery. We represent over 85 artists worldwide, and Creation is our Web3 infrastructure startup that was launched in 2022. We work with the likes of Harrods, Radisson Hotel Group, Net-a-Porter, Soho House, and Saks Fifth Avenue, to name a few. And we've created several NFT platforms with proprietary tech, with Apple Pay integration, and some of the most advanced smart contract functionalities. We've been featured throughout our career in some of the most important publications globally, from Forbes to Times. And in our team, we're very honored to have an incredible team, starting from Sugwen Chung. She won last month here at the Museum of the Future the Time 100 AI amongst the most important researchers and person in AI in today's. And from our Web3 team, Dennis from Kaizen has been manning our Web3 division for now 4 years. And IoT expert Jan Schaar from Switzerland. Our device is fully built in Switzerland. And within our team, also J. Harry Edmonston, who did the SpaceX drop last year, an important memory for humanity. And my partner, Simonida, has been a curator for some of the most important institutions and representing artists globally for the good part of 2 decades. Myself, I've worked on the Winds of Yawanawa project of Refik Anadol with our own smart contract and our proprietary technology, reaching $48 million in sales in the last 6 months. And this is a little bit about the DePIN market. For those who don't know it, it is a $3.5 trillion market. And this is the current DePIN ecosystem, which has a lot of potential. And we really believe in the physical world and the digital world coming together via the DePIN device that we're launching here. And it is made in Switzerland, and it is a sensor with OpenAI integration that is able to very discreetly and privately function within a network. And this is our current valuation on our projected sales over the next 3 years. This is only based on 100,000 units being sold over 3 years, with huge EBITDA potentials for any of the investors that want to come in. And we are opening around this month at a very conservative 25 million valuation. And this is a little bit about our ecosystem between NFT platforms, real-world assets, tokenization, and luxury distribution. So thank you so much. I know I have 5 seconds left, so it's been a pleasure. Thank you. Was there any questions?
Yeah, just checking if it works. Yeah. Thanks for the pitch. Wanted to understand the purpose of the device. I think you mentioned that it's data for collecting IoT, but what is the actual what data are you aggregating or collecting from the devices?
Yeah, absolutely. The device is a sensor. So you could place it, for example, in an exhibition of this kind, and you're able to monitor how to better serve from digital content, at the same time monitor how, how many people actually interact with a physical sculpture, piece of art, installation. And we also believe that it could have a very strong social and gentrifying effect. Could change areas that are distressed by introducing art with a device that is effectively farming tokens while people interact with it.
So it's clear what the purpose that you're trying to achieve, but still, is it a optic sensor, which is computer vision? Are you connecting it to, like when you said interact with art, what does the device do, not what that achieves?
Of course, the device is based on a XDK Legic, which was a device, a developer device that was introduced by Bosch, that was then sold to a Swiss company called Legic. So we've been in touch with Legic and acquired all of the rights for this particular device to distribute, and we have integrated and added on top the connectivity both via Web3 through a validation with the blockchain, and at the same time through our app with OpenAI.
So if you don't mind me asking, I'm
Sure.
so sorry. Does the device track who is looking at an object? Does the device track who is touching an object? Does the device track the number of people in the room? What does the device do?
The device has a number of sensors within it. So everything from measuring temperature, range, being able being able to know if there is sound. It has a huge number of functionalities that it can be used for a much broader range, but in our case, the application that we have is strictly to do with art and serving better content, and obviously being able to farm our emotion token via the presence and activation of people that interact with our device.
Got it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.